I'm going to show you real quick how we are going to use Storyboard in our classroom. So when you log in, you will create a storyboard, and here is your blank canvas. So I suggest first we are going to focus on the setting. So the setting is where the story is taking place. And so you've chosen an event that took place in your story, and you need to determine what that setting is. And under this section here where it says scenes, you can click and choose where your setting is. And it's pretty cool. If it happened at a school, you can go up here, click school. If it happened maybe outside, you can click outdoor. So there are several options that you can choose from. So I'm just going to quickly make up my own setting. I'm going to say that maybe we were arriving to school, we made it to school, and then you drag your image into each box. And now I'm in the classroom. So when you click on your setting, you can also pick and choose what you want that to look like. Pretty cool. So I can change the color of the desks. I can change the color of the floor. I can make this however I want. Now don't spend too long creating your settings and playing around with it. But click and I want you to experiment to see maybe your bus is going in different directions, what all types of options there are for you to choose from. So that is how you create the setting on Storyboard.